A very good morning, all beloved students. Welcome back to our online class for today. And how have you been, everyone? Okay, so teacher believes that you guys want, and teacher too. Okay, everyone. So this is the first session. And who can tell me what day is today? Today is so today is Wednesday, July 1st, 2020. So today is the first day of new month, right? Good. So according to our schedule for Wednesday, we always learn from Blueprint 3 and Writing Bright Book 2. Okay, good, everyone. So this is the first session. So we learn from Writing Bright Blueprint 3, and we are going to go on the first lessons in unit 3, lesson 1, a job application. Okay, unit 3, basics of the process. Okay, so this unit, as you know that every unit in Blueprint book for one unit contains five lessons. Okay, and the main topic for today, we are going to continue about grammar practice part E. So in this video, you require to do the exercise from 1 to 8 by circle the correct answers. Okay, the answer, you have to circle the correct answer, like out, it out, right? Okay, you have to circle the correct preposition in the bracket over here. Okay, so before we start doing this exercise, let me go further to what we have learned so far in the previous video, everyone. So in the previous video, we learned about phrasal verb, right? Okay, so phrasal verb, and who can tell me about phrasal verbs? What did you know about phrasal verb, everyone? Okay, so phrasal verb made up from verb and preposition, or we call particle, right? So like this, you can see here, get is a verb, and on, so get on, so on is particle or preposition, right? Okay, good. And you know that the meanings of phrasal verbs sometimes idiom. Okay, it is not follow the meanings of the verb or preposition. Sometimes idiom meanings different, right? Different from the basic words. Okay, so how many phrasal verbs are there in English? So there are two kinds of phrasal verbs, right? The first is inseparable and separable. So separable means we separate from the verb and preposition by putting the object, right? The object in the middle of it. And inseparable means we cannot separate or we cannot put the objects between the verbs and preposition at all. Okay, you go over this, right? This is just for review, and teacher believes that you understand with this already because we have learned in the previous video, right? If you're not sure where the topics is for today, everyone, you can open your book to page 37. Okay, so now that's all for the review. Okay, if you're not sure about this, you're not sure about preposition, about phrasal verbs, you can open your book to page 37, right? 37. Then you will see part D. Okay, open your book to part D, then you will see the explanation about the phrasal verb. But today the main topic is that practice grammar, right? So you require to do the exercise from 1 to 8 right now, everyone. So before we start doing this exercise, teacher would like you to spend some time to read this exercise. Okay, so you have time 2 minutes to to read this exercise all together. So let's start. Okay, everyone, so have you done with your reading already? Okay, so teacher believes that you have done with your reading. So everyone, before we do this exercise all together, so let teacher explain you about definitions of this phrasal verb first. And after explaining, teacher believes that you can do this exercise well. Alright, so let me get started. Get on, right, everyone. So get on means get on something, get on the train, get on the board, right? This is its meaning. And go over means review, to check again, check something. Example, you have done with your quiz already, right? So before you submit it to the teacher, so you have to go over, means go to review what you have done in order to check the mistake. Okay, and fill out means to complete something. Okay, to complete the blank, so fill out. And fill in, its meaning similar with the word fill out. For example, you complete about the information about your personal background, right? Your name, your age, your right, like this. You have to, we can say fill in, right? And fill out. So fill out something, right? Especially like example, you hungry right now, so you have to fill up, mean to complete something full, alright? Fill up. Next, look up. What does it mean look up, everyone? Look up. So over here we have the word look up. Okay, here you should look up that company to learn more about it. So right, the word look up means to search or to find the information. Okay, to search or to find the information. Okay, everyone. So let's see the word drop by. Would you like to drop by at my office after lunch? So drop by over here means, okay, drop by means, right, visit. Okay, drop by means visit, to visit. And throughout, what does it mean? I want throughout. Throughout means put something away from somewhere, from something, right? Okay, so example, this marker example, and I want to strew it out, means strew out, put it somewhere out from me right now. Okay, so we can strew out, strew something out. Okay, good, everyone. So now that's all for the meanings all of these phrasal verbs. So let me get started doing these exercises. No, exercise all together. Number one, look on. No, look. No, sorry. He took. Okay, again, everyone. Number one, he took an application and filled. Okay, so everyone. So to complete this, you also have to know about the separable phrasal verbs and inseparable also. Okay, so we have to know which phrasal verbs separable and which phrasal verbs inseparable. Right. So he took an application and filled out it or filled it out. I want filled. Good. Filled it out. Right. Number two, filled something. Fill in or fill up your name. Let's talk about name. Fill up your name and your phone number and please, right? So you know, fill something up. It's like when you're hungry right now, you can fill up, mean get full, eat, to eat something full, right? That over here they say fill your name, fill blah 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 your name, so should be fill in. Okay, good. Number three, I need to get blah 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 in train. So in train, so you have to get in or get on. So get on in train, right? Good. Number four, you should look blah 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 that company to learn more about it. So it should be information. So everyone, so look up, right? Look up. And number five, this milk doesn't smell good. So what you have to do? I'm going to strew it out or strew out it, everyone. Alright, so let's see. Strew out, it is separable, right? Phrasal verb. So it should have objects in front, no, between it. So strew it out. Number 6. Where are my shoes? Where's my shoes? I want to put on them or put them on. Okay, so put on mean to put something with clothes. Okay, to put something with clothes means to wear the shoe. Over here means like this. So I want to put them on or put on them. So you have to know that put on it is inseparable or separable phrasal verb. So separable, right? Good. So it should have objects between it. Number 7, everyone. So would you drop by my office after lunch? So everyone, this means visit. So we have to use drop over or drop by. Drop by. So means would you visit my office after lunch? Right, mean like this for this sentence. The last one, everyone. Let's tell me which one, go over or go out. Please go over out your information before submitting the form. Mean to review, right? Alright, so go over mean review, and go out mean go away, means like this. So in this sentence, it should be out or over, everyone. So yeah, the best answer is over. So go over means to check, to review about the application or the information again before you submit it, yeah, to someone else. Now you got this, everyone. Okay, thank you so much. So teacher believes that you understand with this exercise. But if you're not sure, you can leave your question below the video and homeroom teacher will answer for you. Okay, good, everyone. So see you in the second session.